healthy and fit isn't a fad or a trend, it is a lifestyle. Take care of your body and the rest will automatically become stronger. Hey people, I am Amdas Prasad of 6th standard and I am here to steal few minutes of yours, and I guarantee you that I am going to blast out with information. So I request you all to be in all ears. Do you think we follow the quote that I already told you? Are we concentrating on our fitness? As the saying goes, health is wealth. Being in a generation where we start the day with mobile phones, we have lost our touch with the ground and nature around us. Those who are ill and weak in health are found hopeless for life. He who has a healthy and fit body has hope and is also an inspiration for us. Therefore, health and fitness are two things we should take care of till death. Obesity in children and teenagers is gradually becoming a major public health problem in many developing countries including India. Did you know that 38 million children under the age of 5 were overweight or obese in 2019? Did you know that 38 million children under the age of 5 were overweight or obese in 2019? Young adults and teenagers are recently reporting cases of heart attacks and deaths due to sedentary lifestyle. Incidents of several health disorders such as obesity, depression and heart attack etc. are increasing at an alarming rate among children. A 45-minute walk is clinically proved to decrease incidence of heart attacks among people. 1 hour of exercise can also help heart efficiency. Our past generation used to be physically active. Their main occupation was farming and therefore they were highly active. This kept them fit and healthy. They ate less oily food those days. But in our case, we love to eat a lot of oily food and junk food. Obese children with an unhealthy diet pattern are at severe risk of future health problems. It can also cause breathing problems and many lifestyle changes. However, the solution to all these problems are quite simple. Regular physical activities by any means such as playing with your friends outdoors, sports activities, exercising, swimming, etc. can resolve all these health problems. Being physically fit will boost your confidence and improves your mental health. Physical fitness has a direct effect over your intelligence, memory and emotional stability. It also helps in good oxygen supply to all the cells of our body. Heart and lungs work efficiently, our bones get stronger and joints have pain-free movement. A balanced diet is the main key to have a physically sound body. It also supplies the nutrients your body needs to work effectively. Without balanced nutrition, your body is more prone to disease, infection and low performance. Balanced diet increases the ability to be strong and it prevents from diseases. To prevent obesity, consume less bad cholesterol and more good cholesterol. Eat less at night. Plan a balanced diet. Sleep sound and rise early. Make this as your life's mission. This will enlighten the vision of your life. Being the superior creatures of earth, it is our responsibility to develop a healthy nation. We must respect the body God has given us and take care of it in a good manner. Exercise tests our capabilities and we should reward our body by excluding junk food. Exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you eat. So dear people, I hope I sowed my little thought onto your hearts. I wish you all a profound healthy lifestyle from today on. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Good morning to everybody. I am Janupratija from class 6th B. Today I am going to talk a few lines about exercise is not a celebration of what you can do. It is not a punishment what you hate. When I first start exercising and walking regularly, I often feel sweaty, tired, itchy, inadequate and boring. Once I push through the first couple of weeks, though these feelings are fade and I feel a surge of energy and a goodwill. I don't want to undo all the good I know I have given for my body. So far, the rest of the day, I am more mindful of what I am putting in my mouth. Later, during the rest of the day, I ask myself, will this nourish and energize my body or is it touchy? For me, fitness is not about hitting a gym. It is all about the inner happiness and well-being. I am still working on changing my mindset about exercise. I don't want to push myself hard, but still I feel resentful. On those days, even though sometimes I still feel the benefits, I know my intention is punishment and not love for my body or joy for connecting with being outside in nature. I want to change my mindset about working out. I realized I resent things and don't enjoy exercise a lot of the time as I am doing it as a punishment. Doing exercise is very helpful for proper health and fitness. Physical exercises are required in each and every sphere of life. Exercising also mainly used for cardiovascular fitness. Some people do it because they just enjoy it. Exercising also gently improves our health. There are 3 good benefits to do exercise. Health benefits such as helping weight management, improves the quality of life, and then reducing the feels of depression and anxiety. Another benefit is environmental. When people are active, it can contribute to the created healthy environment. Places where people feel comfortable to walk would be safer because there are more people out and about. Social benefits helps us to meet new people while exercising. Now, pre-Thanksgiving walk is not done for the sake of burning calories. Exercise is not a punishment. To succeed in life, both mental and physical development is important. In one's life, one should maintain a balance between his work, rest and exercise. Healthy mind lives in healthy body. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am B.S. Bharat from class 6. I am very happy to have this valuable opportunity to speak before you. Exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, but not a punishment of what you ate. Every person in this world needs to have a healthy and fit body so as to stay away diseases. If we be fit, we can enjoy our life in a better manner. There are phrases like health is wealth, sound mind in a sound body, and so on. In earlier day, fat boy is a healthy boy. He is free from infections and diseases. But nowadays, obesity, overweight in children related to various diseases. The importance about healthy and fitness is increased today. We need to have a very fit body to face our current challenges. Fitness keeps us away from many diseases. We can earn money easily, but we cannot get a good health with that money. Balanced diet is necessary for good health. Achieving a good health is not easy today because we are living in a crowded and polluted environment. Human life is a gift of God. Each of us have a physical body such as blood, bones, muscles and tissues. When any of this get injured or affected, they will be get ill. Nobody likes to be get ill. So that we should eat nutritious foods, food rich in protein, vitamin, minerals and carbohydrates that are very essential. Taking essential foods are called a balanced diet. We must do exercise regularly, but some people do exercise after eating too much of foods, but it is not good. Eating too much of food and doing exercise will lead to be ill health. Finally, I conclude my speech. If you take time for your wellness, you will be forced for your illness. The maintenance of good health, balanced eating should be taught from the earliest stage. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, I am Akash from 6th C Amalur Pavan Lutz Academy. Today I am going to speak on the topic the importance of exercise. We all know that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. If a man is not physically fit and healthy, his mind can't be sharp and active. Human body is very much like a machine. It should be maintained and looked after properly. Physical exercise is of immense help in maintaining good health and fitness. Physical exercise is widely recognized as the best way to keep one's body fit and healthy. Physical exercise are of different types. Many people like to do morning work. Some find pleasure in cycling and jogging. Several people like to do gardening and swimming. Many people find it easier and convenient to spend 1 or 2 hours in doing workout in a well-equipped gym. Skipping also is a popular way to keep our body fit and healthy. It is yoga and meditation are also gaining popularity. They are easier to practice and highly effective on keeping one's body healthy. Some benefits of exercises are they improve our memory power, it lowers our blood pressure and takes care of heart health. Physical exercise is also important for good quality of sleep. It reduces anxiety and depression, related combat cancer, faith improve, joint pain and stiffness. We all know that the effort we put take us nearer to our goals. Always think that exercise is a celebration for what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Take care of your body. It is the only place you have to live in. With this quote, it's me Bragadishwaramuthu of class 6th D standing before you to share my views on the topic exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment what you eat. There is a general speculation that exercise is a punishment for eating the desired food, but actually it is the celebration of your body's well-being. We can enjoy the glow of the good health only through exercise. Exercise increases the mental health and decreases the feeling of depression, anxiety and stress. Exercise not only refreshes the body but decreases the risk of the serious diseases. Exercise increases the production of endorphins, which are known to produce positive feelings. It in turn keeps our mind happier and healthier. An interesting fact about the exercise is it doesn't matter how intense your workout is, but even simple exercise can work wonders in your body. Remember, any exercise is better than no exercise. Exercise not only burns the excess calories but gives the shape to our body and ensures the proper functioning of the bones and muscles. In my perspective, food and exercise are highly interrelated. The proper balance of the both helps us to achieve a stronger physique. At times, we may feel a bit bored about the exercise, but once we start to taste the results, we will find ourselves addicted to it. So, let's not find excuses to quit. We do work out to make our body fit. Last but not the least, work out, eat well, be patient. Your body will reward you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
A very good morning to everybody. This is Adira from class 7A. Here's one of my favorite quotes. Exercise is a celebration of what our body do, not a punishment of what we eat. So this quote is all about how much we view our exercise. So every time when we are putting our shoes, think about all the ways that our body works for us, but we should be thankful for all the things that the body does, like running, jumping, but even breathing and healing. For after each workout, please take a time and thank your body for being there for us, and it's doing its best to keep us alive and healthy and vibrant. So start exercise with a mild. So like take up stairs, park for further away, or exercise in 10 minutes intervals throughout the day. If you have negative, it's hard to stick to it. Exercise is actually better for you if you enjoy. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.
Happy morning. I am T. Bhavina, study in 7th standard B section. I am going to tell a elocution of exercise is a celebration of, not a punishment of what your body can do. Exercise is celebrated nowadays because it gently improves our health. In that situation, that is COVID-19 is very important to improve and maintain our personal health. There are 3 good benefits of exercising: helping weight management, improve our quality of life, and reducing the feelings of depression and anxiety. Another benefit is environmental. Social benefits is one of the best way to improve to meet new people while exercising. Place where people feel comfortable to walk, run, cycling, push-up and meditation would be safer because more people are out of our place. Walking is simple yet powerful. It's improve cholesterol level, strengthen bones and maintain the blood pressure levels. Running. Believe it or not, running is actually a great way to increase overall level in health. Meditation. It takes time to get comfortable with your mind. Push-up. Push-up are fast and effective exercise for building strength. Cycling. Cycling can help to protect from serious disease such as stroke, heart attack, some cancers, depression, diabetes, obesity and arthritis. Not a punishment. The most common risk in exercising is injury to muscles and bones. This usually happens from exercising too long or too hard. What you eat? Avoid junk food. Junk food is unhealthy food because that is high of calories from sugar or fat. The little dietary fiber, protein, vitamin, minerals are another important nutritional value. It leads to increase high BP, heart problems and increase our depression. Took plenty of fluids like water, coconut water, etc. High protein diet, fresh fruits, vegetables, dry fruits, nuts, sprouts and legumes. Conclusion. Exercise improve our personal health and decrease our health problems. Do the exercise every day for all ages. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Happy day to all. My name is Dervin. I am in 7th standard from Amalorpam Lutz Academy. Today I am going to talk the topic about exercise is not a punishment what you ate. My objective today is to talk to you about the importance of the exercise. It is well known that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. If a man is not physically fit and healthy, his mind cannot be sharp and active. The human body is very much like a machine. It needs to be maintained and looked after properly. Physical exercises are of different kinds. Many people enjoy morning walk. Some find pleasure in cycling and jogging. Several people like to do gardening and swimming. Many people find it easier and convenient to spend an hour or two in doing workouts in a well-equipped gym. Skipping is also a popular way in keeping one fit and healthy. These days, yoga and meditation are also gaining popularity. They are easier to practice and highly effective in keeping one fit and healthy. Regularity in exercise is important for good health. Physical exercise done in the morning keeps us healthy, fit and active for the whole day. Therefore, we should take it regularly. It is a must to keep us fit and healthy. Moving your body really should be a celebration and you deserve to come at a moment from a place of joy rather than as a form of self-mutilation. Whether you demolished an entire pizza by yourself or not, your body truly is a beautiful and a perfect thing. Freeing yourself from distractive thinking about your body and exercise starts with embracing your body as it is. We all know that health and fitness play an important role in our overall development. We should try for a good balance between our mind, body and soul. I have suggested some important activities to maintain proper health and fitness. One should start play games and sports. An active body can metabolize well and so keep us in good shape. Finally, I conclude that to succeed in life, both mental and physical development is important. Therefore, exercises are really important in one's life. One should maintain a proper balance between his work, rest and exercise. Thank you, friends.
Hello everyone, I am Reshma studying 8th standard A section in Amlopavam Luthas Academy. So I am here to say something interesting about the topic exercise is a celebration and not a punishment for what you eat. Exercise is a celebration and not a punishment of what you eat. I couldn't agree anymore. Why should you think of weight loss when you are going to regain it again? We should develop our attitude towards nutrition and exercise. You think many of them are focused on weight loss and the result seems unachievable. We should be made regular to discuss amongst us that whether it is important to make a good relationship with food rather than celebrating weight loss itself. Doesn't it correct? Yes. The same can also be said for the celebration of exercise. Once your focus is shifted to the presentation, the relationship with exercise is improved. Everywhere you look online, they give us advertisement saying that we promise you to reduce your weight loss. And I could say that it's a very trick to weight loss. That does not exist. First, learn to prefer your own timetable on doing exercises. Don't expect some other persons or online to say your choices or give you any options to do whatever you need to reduce your weight. Exercise means we are trying to change our body. So, to conclude, I would say that exercise is a celebration of what your body can do and not a punishment for what you ate. Don't ever think exercise is a punishment. If you think exercise is a punishment, negative thoughts arises in your mind. So, do exercises, stay fit. Thank you.
Happy day to one and all. I am Poovar Raghavan from 8th standard D section. I am from Amlopavam Luthas Academy. Now, I am here to talk about an important topic, that is, exercise is a celebration for what your body can do, but not a punishment for what you ate. My objective today is to talk about the importance of exercise. It is well known that a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. If a person is not physically fit and healthy, then his mind cannot be active or fresh. Exercise doesn't only changes your body, it changes the mind, mood and also the attitude. The human body is to be considered as the machine, so it should be maintained and looked after properly. Now, let me talk about the kinds of physical exercise. Physical exercise are of different kinds. Many people love to go for a walk, but some find pleasure in jogging and cycling. Many other people like to do gardening and also swimming. Many people like their interest and they find it easier and they find it convenient to do their work, to relax themselves. Skipping is also a popular exercise which makes our body fit and also healthy. Now, I am going to speak about the current situation. In these days, yoga and meditation is highly effective in keeping us fit and also healthy. Now, the highlighted text in the speech is regularity. Regularity in exercise keeps our body is also an important for the good health. When we come into exercise and its well-being is as about to close to the magic potion that one can get it. So, physical exercise done in the morning makes our body fit, fresh, active all over the day. So, we must do regular exercise. It is must to make our body fit and also active. Moving your body really should be a celebration and you deserve to come off movement from the place of joy rather than as the form of self-mutilation, and whether you demolished an entire pizza by yourself or not, but your body is perfect. Freeing yourself from destructive thinking of your body and exercise starts with embracing your body as it is. Exercise reduces your stress and anxiety and also depression. Exercise improves the quality of sleep. Exercise has a lot of benefits in it. In mentally, it releases an endorphin which makes others happy. Fitness and also health plays a vital role in becoming a man fit and healthy. Healthy is an important outfit which looks different on everybody. So, we should try maintaining the balance of soul, mind and body. So, we can say that exercise is regarded as a tribute to heart. I have some suggested activities to make a person fit and healthy. So, one can start doing games and also play sports. An active body makes a person metabolize well and also it makes us in good shape. Finally, I conclude that a person should succeed in life, both mental and physical development. Therefore, exercise are really important in overcoming overall development in one's life. At last, we should maintain the balance of work, rest and also exercise. I think from hearing my video, you will do regular exercise. Will you? Jai Hind. Thank you.
A pleasant and a warm welcome to everyone who gathered here. I am Sivaranjani A, studying in 8B in Amlapon Lutz Academy. Came before you to say you a short and a motivational speech on the topic of exercise is what you can do, not a punishment for what you ate. First, I will define you what is exercise. Exercise is a physical activity which is done to make your body very strong. Have you ever heard of someone losing weight only to regain it? When I play with my friends in a playground, we seek to improve our attitude towards nutrition and exercises. If a person is in a turn with becoming healthier, the process of weight loss seems reduced. If a person is forced to be healthier, the pressure of weight loss seems unachieved. I regularly discuss with my friend about how important is to celebrate a good relationship with food rather than celebrating weight loss itself. The same can be said for the relationship with exercises. Our role is to introduce a good and a quality friend to a quality of exercises and movements. If you enjoy the relationship with exercises is then improved. If you enjoyed working towards a strategy, the process is on a whole easier. But exercise is very important. It makes a whole body very calm and very cool, and it keeps a mind very cool. From this, before ending my speech, I will say you a quote. Exercise doesn't only change your body shape, it changes your mind, it changes your mood and it changes your attitude. Thank you.
A very warm welcome to one and all. My name is Abhishek, studying in 8C in Amlapon Lutz Academy. Today, I am here to tell a few words on the famous quote, exercise is a celebration for what your body can do, but not a punishment for what you ate. Exercise is not supposed to be a torture. It is meant to energize your body, relieve your mind and push you out of your limits. If you are trying just to get through it by doing exercises and move on, you will not be achieving any good results. Exercise should be done in attitude that our mind, body and soul must deliberate in life for change. We must think that exercise and nutrition as one unit. To work to the best of their ability, they should both be working. For example, we can't drive a car without fuel. So why exercise without food? Proper nutrition is a part of being healthy. We must always think of a positive reason to work out. Some successful people say that they were inspired by the celebration of movement. On the moving, they feel fun on trying new things or dancing along to their favorite tunes, making exercise a game and celebrating the movement. And on the moving, see the wondrous way the body responds and say loudly, strong, always, beautiful, capable and powerful. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is S. Sujay. I am studying 8th standard C section in Amlapon Lutz Academy. I would like to start with the definition given by WHO for health. It is in the state of physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. I would like to share about my fitness journey. Well, it started right now. In the beginning, I felt exercise is like punishment for my body. For my things never resonated and my body never held any transformation until I came across one beautiful thing called yoga. I started practicing yoga since 2 months. Then I started realize my stamina is well improved. Previously, it's very difficult for me to climb upstairs, but now it is able. Fitness can be attained not only with exercise but also with healthy eating habits and healthy sleeping. Previously, I am fond of having fried items. More, I used to hate green leafy vegetables and fruits. But as I started workout, I realized food plays an important role in the fitness journey. Researchers proved that if one take an Indian food called pongal as breakfast for at least 1 month, it was sure your weight will increase for at least 6 kgs, and that too was not an healthy weight gain. So from my knowledge, I learned that steamed food are the healthy breakfast. So idli is considered as the healthy food all over the world because it is a balanced diet and where all kinds of essential nutrients are present in that. I realized green leafy vegetables are the rich source of iron, calcium and fiber. I have explained about the diet in which exercise will not provide best results. Even healthy food habits plays its vital role. There are some certain criteria to do healthy exercise. The official journal of SCSEPF, that is the Elsevier, had a research in the year 2015 about irregular way of doing exercise, and the results were shocking. About 15% of heart disorders are emerging because of improper way of exercise. While doing exercise, an individual heart rate should maintain 90 to 110 and respiratory rate should maintain 28 to 32. I would like to conclude with a quote which inspires me is, exercise not only changes your mind and your body, well, it changes your mood and your attitude. Exercise is a celebration in which your body can do and not a punishment for what you can eat. Thank you.
Happy morning, I am Yogeshwar from Amalopam Lutz Academy, 8th standard D section. Today I am going to talk about exercise is a celebration of what your body can do and not a punishment for what you ate. What does it mean? It simply means that you should enjoy exercising. Exercise should become an integral part of our life, and that can only happen if you enjoy exercising. We fall in love with exercise and we will do it every day. What counts as exercise? Every moment of our body is counted as exercise. For example, playing outdoor games becomes an exercise. We move our body, skipping becomes an exercise. We move our body, simply walking becomes an exercise. What are the 3 benefits of exercise? The 3 benefits of exercise are their weight management, the proper weight management, improve the quality of life and reduce the feeling of anxiety and depression. Nowadays we can see only vehicles on the road. We should try to avoid vehicles and we can go by walking or cycling for nearby places. Walking is simple and powerful. It helps us to stay lean and you can be very energetic and improve cholesterol levels. And the next important thing is your diet. Diet does not mean that you are punishing yourself. We should avoid junk food. We may be obese. If we are obese, we will have to face many health related problems. At last, the doctor will advise us to do exercise, but we would find it difficult to do. This is the time when exercise becomes as punishment for us. We should not let it happen to us. So we should do exercise regularly as early as possible and keep our body healthy. Exercise and good health only does not ensure that you have good physical health, it also ensures that you have good mental health. The 6 best doctors in the world are air, sunshine, exercise, diet, and you have to keep them regularity on the basis of regular basis and also rest. Exercise leads to secretion of some hormones which make us feel happy. While exercising, you will find that your body has the capacity or potential to do so many things. For example, for the first day while jogging, you have been able to run 5 rounds. On the second day, you can rise at to 6 and 8, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. If we are doing exercise too much, it will also harm us. It may cause joint pains and increase the chances of becoming the person very weak. What we should do? So we should eat proper and balanced diet and we should do exercise according to our capabilities. Now in concluding that doing exercise makes you power and strength, it also makes your mental health powerful. Thank you.